students, everyone wants to live on the mountain, but the real happiness and the growth occurs when you are climbing the mountain. My name is Saraswati Pillai and I am your socialist teacher in class 4. Today we are going to start with a new interesting topic, that is the Northern Mountains. Yes, you all have heard about this word mountains, right? And we Indians are very much proud about our Northern Mountains. In this chapter, we will study about the details of all the mountains which are there in our country.
The Northern Mountains in the north of India extended from northwest to northeast of India. And most of the peaks in this range are covered with snow throughout the year. It contains many high peaks. The Himalayas separate the China and the India. It is a natural boundary between China and India, which you can see in this map, that it separates these two countries. The Northern Mountains are extended from the state of Jammu and Kashmir to the east, the country Arunachal Pradesh. It covers whole the north to the east in the Indian map. The Northern Mountains is divided into three: Himalayan, Karakoram, Purvachal ranges. Himalayan is divided again into three: the Greater Himalayas called Himadri, Middle Himalayas or Himachal, Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. In the Himalayas, the Mount Everest is located. Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest mountain peak in the world. The height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. It lies in Nepal. First, the Greater Himalayas or Himadri. It is the highest Himalayan range. Kanchenjunga in Greater Himalayas is the highest peak in India. Many glaciers also originate from the Himadri, like Ganga, Indus, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. The river Ganga originates from the glacier Gangotri, and river Yamuna originates from the glacier Yamunotri. Second, the Lesser Himalayas or Himachal lies to the south of Himadri. Here, fertile valleys like Kangra and Nainital are located in this range. Beautiful hill stations like Darjeeling, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital and Kulu are the tourist places in India which are also located in the Himachal. Now, the outermost Himalayas or Shivalik. It is the southernmost range of Himalayas. This range is covered with thick forests which are a home to many wild animals. Terrace farming is done on the slopes of the Shivaliks, which is shown in the image.
Yes students, so in this video we have studied about the Northern Mountains, the three ranges, that is the Outer Himalayas, the Middle Himalayas and the Greater Himalayas. The next section we will study about the other Northern Mountains, the climate, the vegetation and the wildlife of the Northern Mountains. I hope you have understood this video. We will learn more about the Northern Mountains in our next video. Till then, take care students. Have a great day. Thank you.